Coffee grinder, Kaven electric coffee mill with large grinding capacity for beans, peppers, herbs, spices, nuts, grains and more, 150W, white. Compact and portable design, at any time, you can start enjoying pure coffee at the touch of a button. Thanks to the mini coffee grinder, you can get coarse or fine coffee powder in 30 seconds or less, and the ground coffee powder is used for cold brew coffee, Caffè Americano, café au lait, and so on. Multi-purpose coffee grinder with 150W high-power AC motor and stainless steel blades. The portable coffee grinder is not only suitable for grinding coffee beans but also for grinding spices, nuts, grains, peppers, etc. Triple protection system. The safety lock ensures that the electric coffee bean grinder operates only with the cover closed. Keep pressing the button, the grinder will keep working, and avoid any danger. When it is overheated, the built-in overheat protection device will stop the grinder, and the latter will operate again after cooling. Easy to use and clean, with one-touch operation. When you press the button, the coffee grain grinder works. When you release it, the grinder stops. The transparent lid also makes it easy to see the consistency of the grinding. The powder cup is made of food-grade stainless steel, SUS 304, to ensure food safety. An extra cleaning brush is provided for easy cleaning. 2-year worry-free, our coffee grinders are ETL certified products, and we are confident in their quality. So, we offer a 2-year warranty. If you have any problems, simply contact us, and we promise an 100% satisfactory solution. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.